Very good morning. Thanks for being with us. You're with the news here on Mirror Now. My name is Apurva Sridhar. The total number of cases in the country is crossing 31,000 mark. It is day 36 of the lockdown, and the death toll has also now crossed the 1,000 mark. Over the last 24 hours, 73 more deaths have been reported, and this, of course, is a worrying sign at this point. However, the recovery rate at this point stands at 24.56% because more than 7,000 people have been cured at this point. Now, here's an update that is coming in of how the COVID warriors have been attacked. And this instance has taken place in Gujarat, Surat, where a massive chaos ensued in Surat's Dindoli area yesterday, where cops were in fact attacked by the locals. Now, this happened where the entire ruckus began after rumors that were spread that police had beaten up a local in that area, following which the cops were attacked by the locals, and after which we saw a massive chaos that had ensued in that area, and several of the policemen there were also injured. Let me go across to my colleague Disha, who's joining me with further updates on this. Disha, good morning. This is a very shameful incident that has taken place where the policemen have been attacked by the locals in Surat. Tell us what led to this instance and what is the current situation now in Surat's Dindoli area.
Apurva, when what we understand from the police in Surat is the fact that there was a PCR van in the area that was being sent in the Dindoli area to enforce the lockdown in the wake of the coronavirus outbreak, because the police had got information that how people were roaming around and not adhering to the lockdown norms. And when police asked locals to stay indoors, some of them got angry and started throwing stones at the policemen. So one policeman was also injured when some of the locals allegedly threw stones at the security personnel who was trying to enforce the lockdown in the area. In fact, now the situation is such that the 5 persons have been detained for the attack on the policemen at this point in time. Also, the additional force has been sent to the area and the situation was brought under control. So this is how the entire incident took place. One of the policemen was injured. He is stable now is what we understand. But as of now, this is what entirely the police has been, seeing the situation on the ground level, that how people are not adhering to the social distancing norms, to the lockdown measures. And that is why police had to take some strict action on the ground.
And Disha, what is even more concerning is that this entire chaos and the attack on the policemen occurred because of a rumor that was spread that a local was beaten up by the policemen. Has the government responded to this entire attack? Because it is extremely serious on how the COVID warriors were at the front line are being attacked at this point.
Well, at this point, of course, the government's priority is to ensure that the lockdown norms are being taken very seriously and followed seriously by the citizens in concern, because we are seeing that in Gujarat as well, the numbers are increasing rapidly, Apurva. And keeping this in mind, the government has, of course, asked the police officials to, monitor the situation, especially in all the red zones area and hotspots areas. And if people are not really adhering to lockdown norms, then additional force needs to be deployed, additional force needs to be sent to the area to bring the situation under control. So at this point in time, we do not really know whether the rumor angle is the only one that really instigated the citizens here to throw stones at the policemen. But one thing was sure, that the police has confirmed that it was only because when more PCR vans were being sent out to actually enforce lockdown in the area, the policemen were attacked.
All right, Disha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those updates. This is, of course, an update coming in from Surat's Dindoli area, where the cops were, in fact, attacked by the locals after there were rumors that the cops had beaten up a local in that area.